Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Living MN Outdoors. As you can see, we're not on the ice this weekend, but we're here in the kitchen and we're going to cook up some venison backstraps. As you can see here, we got our venison backstraps. These were harvested by Rachel, who's behind the camera, earlier this deer season. We're going to cook these on the pellet grill tonight. We'll take you along, show you how we do it. So let's head out to the grill and get it preheated. Well, we've made it out here to the grill. We're gonna fire it up, get it preheated. We're gonna set the temp at 500 degrees. We'll keep our steak off to the side when we do that. And then when the temp reaches 105 internal, we'll put it on the sear plate. We'll give it a nice sear and then pull it off when it reaches an internal temp of 130 degrees. But first, let's get it preheated. Turn the grill to smoke, hit the power button, and then we'll crank her up to 500 degrees. Well, we just got the grill fired up. While we're waiting to preheat that, we'll get our backstrap seasoned up here and we'll show you what we're using on that. So I like to use one of these aluminum foil pans when I season. Just seems to keep it contained and less mess that way. So we'll put these backstraps in there. Plate. First thing, we're going to just drizzle a little olive oil over them. Like so. We'll kind of mix them around. Get them all coated nice and even. Like so. And then here's the seasoning we're going to be using tonight. This is Pit Boss brand Chop House steak. It's one of my favorite steak seasonings. We're gonna put a generous coating of that on them. So here we go. Give them a little pat. Flip them over. Season the other side. Give them another pat. Now they're ready for the grill. So we'll wait for the grill to finish preheating and then we'll go put these on and we'll take you along. Well, we made it out here with the meat. I'll show you guys here quick. You can see the grill's preheated. As you guys can see here, I got the sear plate open. We don't want to put the meat directly onto that. So we're going to put the meat to the side and put the probe in. Keep an eye on it. We want to bring it up to about 105. And then at that point, we'll put it over the sear plate and we'll finish cooking it off to about 130 degrees internal temp. Grab our handy little meat probe here. This piece looks fairly fat, so we'll just slide it in. Try and get the probe into the middle there. We'll close our grill lid down. We'll head inside and we'll keep an eye on the grill. Alright, so we're back out at the grill. We did come out and flip them about 5 minutes ago. The internal temp got a little higher than we were wanting to, but no problem. It's at 115 internal right now. We're going to open the grill up. And at this point, we're going to start to sear our backstraps. So we'll grab them, put them right over top of the sear plate. This does not take long at all. It's going to be quick, minute on each side. flip them, minute on the other side, and pull them off. Alright, as you guys can see, the internal temperature is climbing here. We're at 128 and rising. We're going to pull them off as soon as they reach 130. We'll throw them on the cutting board and we'll head into the kitchen. Power button. Shut this down. We're going to pull them off quick. Alright, let's head inside, get these wrapped in tin foil. We'll let them rest for 5-10 minutes and then cut into them. Our back straps, they reached about 133 degrees, so just a couple degrees over what we were looking for. We're going to grab some tin foil. Got our tin foil here. We're going to set these in the tin foil like so. Seal them up like so. We'll wait 5 or 10 minutes like I said before, let them rest, let the juices suck back into the meat, then we'll cut them open and we'll taste them. If you guys have seen anything in this video and you're interested in trying it, like the Pit Boss pellet grill, the Pit Boss seasonings, or even the Pit Boss pellets that we use, we'll drop a link down in the description. If you would, click on them, follow them to Amazon. If you purchase it, goes a long way in helping out our channel. So thank you very much for doing that. We really appreciate it. Alright, it's been roughly 10 minutes. We're going to open up our tin foil, pull out one of the back straps, cut it open, show you how it looks inside. If you guys could smell this right now, ooh, smells delicious. Let's grab a piece here. Put it on the cutting board. Grab our knife. Let's cut in. I can instantly tell that this meat is going to be extremely tender. It cut like butter. So as you guys can see here, it is a little bit cooked more than I would like. It's probably more like a medium well. But, you know, you can't always get them perfect. But here, let's take a try. I'll let you know how it is. Oh my goodness, guys. It's super juicy. It's tender. That Chop House steak seasoning, it hits the spot. The smoky flavor from the pellet grill, you can really taste it. Gotta go back in for a second piece. We got our other expert meat taster here. Take a bite and let us know what you think. What do you think? Is it good? Good. Yeah? Well, if a little kid likes it, it must be delicious. Overall, I think the venison turned out awesome. If you guys would, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it. We're on Instagram and Facebook, Living MN Outdoors. But we're gonna finish eating this venison, so we'll sign off. But like I like to say, get on out there and get living.